First, I solve the simple example with solver. Solver finds the numeric solution to a problem involving several input values. For example, solver can be used to find the combination of input values that maximizes profits. It also can be used to find a set of input values that minimizes costs, or it can act like goal seek and find the input values required to match a given result. First, activate the solver. Solver is an add-in which is a program that adds commands and features to Microsoft Office applications such as Excel. Click Data tab. If solver is not visible in this location, then activate it. Right click on ribbon, click Customize the ribbon. Click Add-ins, select the Excel add-ins, click Go. Check Solver add-in box, click OK. Now I can see solver is activated in the Analyze group. So far I have calculated the net income of the company by using goal seek in the previous section. Goal seek is restricted to only one variable. Only one value is selected in the goal seek dialog box to change the net income of the company. Click What If Analysis arrow button, click Goal Seek. In Set Cell box, select this cell reference. In By Changing Cell box, select this cell reference. So I can change only the value of one cell to change the value of net income. It is restricted to only one cell. I cannot change multiple cell values. I can change only one value in Goal Seek dialog box. That is the reason to change multiple cell values. Solver is used. Click Cancel. Now I check how solver it works. Click Solver button. In the Set Objective box, select this cell reference because I want to change the value of net income. Into value of box, type 700,000 because I want $700,000 in set objective box. By selecting max or min option, solver gives us maximum or minimum value of net income by putting constraints values of changing cells. What are constraints? I will explain in the next lectures. First I solve the result 700,000 without putting the constraints. In By Changing Variable Cells box, select the cells that I want to change the value of those cells. I can select multiple cells here. Select these two cells, enter comma to separate and select this cell. Click Solve. I can see net income 700,000 and the values of these three cells are also changed. Now I put constraints in the solver parameters dialog box. Click Cancel. Click Solver again. The previous values are stored in this dialog box. Click Add button to add constraints. In cell reference box, select this cell reference. Suppose I do not want to change the value of this cell. Click this arrow button. Select equal operator. In constraint box, type 800,000. Click Add button. Now I add another constraint. Select this cell reference and I do not change the value of this cell. Enter equal operator, type 70. In this way, only the value of this cell is changed. Click OK. Click Solve. Solver has solved the results by putting the constraints values in the constraint box. Click OK. So by using Solver dialog box, I can change the multiple values of cells. The main difference between goal seek and solver is goal seek only change the single value cell and solver change the multiple values of cells. In the next lecture, I will briefly explain about the solver.